Yep. Got him. Got him. Boy, that worked just like clockwork. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh. What's going on, folks? Welcome to a new episode of OBX Surfing Sound Fishing, where we come to educate, entertain, and equip you to be a better angler. Today, what we're going to be doing, we're going fishing. We're going to explore, see if we can find some flounders, some trout, some puppy drum, and whatever. It's a beautiful day. The water is calm, and it's just going to be a relaxing day. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so what I found is this like a little creek right here. And in all the research and YouTube videos that I've watched, you know, they say fish the mouths of the creeks. So I have a popping cork, and I'm just gonna cast it in here and see if I can get a bite. I don't know. Popping cork can make some noises. Actually, I have a power pole. I can drop my power pole down here. Fishes a little bit. Oh, I left the power. Did I? No, I didn't. I put it back. I did put it back, so that's a good thing. It's 4 feet of water right here. Let's drop the power pole down. Engine's off. Power pole's in the water. We'll just play around here for a minute. It's supposed to be rain. I see fog coming in, but it didn't say rain in the forecast, so fog is okay. Got some grass, so grass is always a good thing. Let's throw it almost right in that mouth of that channel. Let it float around right there. I think I have about maybe, I don't know, 2 feet a liter, maybe a little bit more. On a popping cork. Feeling mist. Does it rain or what? It's not supposed to rain. Uh-oh, there's a bite. I think it's them daggone little pinfish. They bite the tails off. Have a gulp on. Guarantee that tail's popped off, that chartreuse tip. Oh, still on, looks good. So it might have been a flounder, who knows. I'm seeing some bait fish way up there. Good cast. Something hit it. Something's hitting it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's way out. It's like right out there. Yeah, it's rain coming in. Foggy. Got my rain suit on. Wind's picked up too. It's coming from the south still. Southeast. Now the weather. It's not showing any signs of rain. Yeah, I see it clearing up right there. Yep, let me get, it's starting to come in, I can feel it. Get this daggone rain suit on. Woohoo! There we go. All right, guys. If you hear me talking funny, because I'm recording for the my GoPro for the YouTube channel. So it's right there. All right, guys. So I have a white gulp, and I'm throwing it in the mouth of a creek channel that empties out into the Albemarle Sound. And I'm taking my time and just working the popping cork. I've got 3 small trout so far, and I'm taking my time with it, trying to understand how this all works. I'm in 5 feet of water, almost 5 feet of water, and there's bait fish all around here. Yep, there's a turtle. Taking my time with it. Let's see if we can get a hit or two. Nothing on that go around. I'm gonna throw it out further. There we go. All right, right there. Straight ahead. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, something splashed right there where I threw it, where I popped. I think it was a needlefish, but it could have been something else. Just keep working it. There it is. There it is. Oh, y'all, it worked. It worked. It worked, y'all, it worked. Just small, Zeonia? Small fish, whatever it is. But it worked. Small trout. Yep. Small trout, not bad at all. Hold still, I'm gonna let you go. I promise. Okay. Come on now, you just knocked the daggone chartreuse off the thing. Chill. All right, here you go. Nice fish. Not bad. See you later. There you go. I got a little bit of a chartreuse tip on there. I'm gonna use that. Here's my rag. All right, so after where I threw it at, that's where some bait is popping up. And that fish hit it right away. Good hook set. Chartreuse tail is messed up, but I'm gonna use it anyway. Let's try it again. I'm gonna throw it in the exact same spot. I'll be curious to see what depth of water that is. So this is with the popping cork, not just the paddle tail. Straight ahead, right there. Pop. Nothing. Pop, let it drop. One pop. Nothing. And sometimes you just let it sit, they will hit it while the waves are bobbing the bobber up and down. Nothing yet. Nothing. Taking off this jacket. Got a little bit warm. Oh, this is a beautiful day. My goodness. Nothing. Pop. It's right there. Nothing. Oh, on that pop, he got it. Same quality fish, I think. Same quality fish. Definitely not the big ones we were catching in the spring. Definitely not the big ones we were catching in the spring. Same quality fish. Fun. Hold still. Jeez. I need to start using the daggone grippers, I guess. There you go. I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go. There he goes. All right, so doing pretty good, y'all. Doing pretty good. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm actually gonna switch after this cast. Switch to a regular paddle tail without the popper and see if anything hits it there. All right, we're gonna try it again, y'all. The Facebook is acting up. I don't know why, but we're gonna try it again. Same situation. And you pretty much we've caught a fish almost every cast. I'm gonna throw it a little bit more to the right this time and let it drift down towards where those fish were biting. So now we're a little bit further to the right there. We're still alive, yeah. And see if there's any fish in that area. I already know I caught them to the left a little bit. So we're just gonna work it here and see. And again, this is a brand new area for me. I've never fished this. I've driven a road past it a lot of times, but never fished it. And the main reason is because it's a creek dumping out into main water. And I'm assuming that fish lay out here to get bait fish and stuff that are coming out the creek. And that wind is actually blowing from right to left, which means that water's going in that direction. Because this is not tidal water where I'm at now. It's just all wind driven on the sound. So no bites this time yet when I threw it to the right. I'm working it pretty much all the way up to the boat. Okay, so no hits that time. I'm gonna throw it back to the same area where I was catching them before. I'm gonna throw it in that direction. Bring it back and see if we hook up again, because they may be stacking up in that one area right there. Nothing so far. Nothing. Nope, nothing, nothing, nothing. Interesting. No hits, no hits, no hits. There he is. Ah, got him. Got him. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm looking at where I caught this fish. He just came off. Where I caught the fish, and look for a landmark that's all the way across. And now I know the direction to throw it in, and hopefully I can get on another one. Let me see. I'll throw it in that same direction right there where I got that hit. Not as far, pretty much right on the, just past it. Hit it a couple times. I should get a hit. That'd be very nice if it worked too, you know? Yep. Got him. Got him. Boy, that worked just like clockwork. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh. He's jumping and flipping and carrying on. This might be a keeper. If it's 14, this is gonna be dinner, yo. See if I can flip her up. Oh, I think this is dinner. Oh, boy, that was fun. That was fun. That's gonna be a nice little video right there. Cause that was on point. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. You know what I'm saying? Come on, look at that. Let me get a measurement. 16, baby. Live well. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna have some water in there in a second. It's okay, baby. It's okay. All right, y'all. I think I got a pattern. Aerator on. I think I have a pattern. I think I know where. We're gonna try that exact same thing again. I know exactly where my marker is as far as the shoreline is concerned. And I'm gonna throw it in that exact same area. That fish was good quality fish too. That was a nice 16-inch trout. Same area, pretty much pinpoint accuracy. I figure 5 or 6 little twitches. If everything's right, I should be on. Oh, there he is. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Boy, fishing is fun. And you hear my drag going, right? So if he pulls, he's gonna pull drag. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Tighten up a little bit. There he is. Oh my gosh. Oh. You only allow 4. Got him. All right, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Man, fishing is fun. I gotta get my captain's license. I really do. I gotta get my captain's license because I want to share this with everybody else. And this is probably a 19, 20 incher. Am I recording? Yep. Beautiful fish. Let me see. We got 18 and a half. 18 and a half. Facebook, here you go. Woo. Just trying to figure it out, y'all. It's fun. Never fished this area before. I'm allowed 2 more trout. Hopefully I can find a puppy drum somewhere. All right, so let me see if I can repeat that thing again. Repeat it. And remember, it wasn't because I didn't really see any bait fish or anything like that. I fan cast it until I figured out where they were. And I'm throwing this time I'm a little bit to the right of where I cast last time. But I think the fish are in this area at this mouth of this creek. All right, let's do 4 or 5 twitches, 6, 7, 8 twitches. See if we get a pop, a ping, pong, poke, pop. Got him. Got him, baby. This one's probably a keeper as well. A little bit smaller, I think. Yeah, he's probably like 16. Oh, come here, I'm sorry. This one's a keeper too. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. I'm gonna keep it, get my 4, and then I'll let the rest go. Because my wife loves trout. She loves trout. Let me see, this is probably 16, I think. 16. Somewhere around there. I need to get some ice too. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the popping cork off. And I'm gonna just use a paddle tail and see if just the paddle tail by itself will do the job. I'm gonna use the same lure, which is the shrimp, and I have a 1/4 ounce jig head. Usually I use an 1/8 ounce. I'm gonna use a 1/4 ounce jig head and see if that works. Did Facebook turn off again? No, you guys are still on. Okay. I'm glad you guys are on. All right, so we're gonna go 1/4 ounce. 1/4 ounce jig head, still using the shrimp, and just we're gonna pop it off the bottom instead of popping cork. Okay, next 2 or 3 should be it. Oh, got one. I wasn't sure if they're gonna hit anymore. I'm throwing it all the way around the boat, and I ended up throwing it back in that original area, and hooked up. And I'm thinking it's a keeper. Seems like a nice fish, very nice fish. Very nice fish. He can go back to his mama. Go back home. Ow, come on now. I'm gonna let you go. You feisty self. Here you go. See you later. That's off of power bait from Walmart. A lot cheaper than the gulp. A lot cheaper. That's it right there. It's not as sturdy or robust, I guess, strong as the other ones though. But got a nice hit. That head splits easy. Okay, that was a good hit. Again, that popping cork, I think, is the key. Nope. All right, let's throw it back to that original spot, or almost to the original area. Same pretty much direction. Let's see. Because I haven't fished it, in about a half an hour, I haven't thrown it over there.